Hi, my name is Photsios and welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. Today we are standing in front of a beautiful street machine. This is a radical 1964 Chevy pickup sporting a 468 big block. No expenses spared in this bad boy. Come up and take a look at the motor. This car was featured in Classic Truck magazine, also featured in a truck calendar as well. It's chopped and lowered, and it's sporting cool vanilla paint that looks absolutely beautiful on it. The motor has Merlin heads and intake, hooker headers, turbo 400 with a TCI converter. It has a Camaro subframe and front disc brakes, as well as power steering, which makes it a wonderful truck to drive. And let me tell you, this thing's got some power. It's got a Ford 9-inch rear end with a 350 gear. Just absolutely phenomenal. The air ride's one of my favorite things on the truck. If you pay attention to detail, check out the chrome on this truck. The bumpers are just flawless and beautiful. It was chopped 3 inches. All the interior is custom, and we'll be able to show you that in just a little bit here. It's got a really cool tonneau cover too. Fits real nice on top of the bed. Once Aubrey backs up here, we'll go ahead and open it and let you take a peek in it. It's got hydraulics on there on each side of the top tonneau cover. It's got a custom bed in here, all wood. Here's some of the places where the truck's been featured and some information on the vehicle as well. Super straight, not loaded with Bondo as well, as I'm sure you can tell by the pictures. And don't forget, you can see a lot of pictures on VanguardMotorsales.com. Just click on inventory, and also join us on Facebook at facebook.com/Vanguard Motor Sales. And you can also join our mailing list to see all our new and upcoming inventory. Hey Aubrey, I'm going to hop in the car. I want you to show the viewers the air ride system working. Spin out in this bad boy. Let's do the 7-mile spin out.